Hey everyone, this is Anurag Ray from PestRemovalWarrior.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about will snake take revenge. Now before we continue this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you can receive updates about my video and also help my channel grow. The snakes are not capable for taking revenge. They don't have the mental capacity to take the revenge because they are not that evolved. Their mental capacity is not that evolved, so that's why they cannot take revenge. In order to take revenge, you need to have the mental capacity to remember the circumstances, remember the person who has done that bad things to you, and unfortunately, snakes cannot remember those. So many people, there is a myth out there that many people think that snakes can attack somebody if they feel if they are if let's say their partner has been killed, and they can come up for revenge and can kill the person who has killed them. But that's completely a myth. That's not true because snakes are incapable of doing so. Snakes cannot remember the circumstances. Snakes cannot remember the person. However, the snakes can still follow the pheromones of the female snake. So let's see, if you have killed somebody has killed the female snakes, then the male snakes can follow the pheromones because the pheromones is out there, and snakes are really good in sensing it. So snakes can follow that pheromones and can reach the place where the female snakes have been killed. And during that time, if people sees them, they might think that the male snake has come for revenge, but that's not the case. They have just come there for the pheromones. And it is also possible that the snakes can also attack the human because they can feel threatened, and that's their normal instinct to attack the human or anything that is dangerous to them. They are not doing the for the sake of revenge. They are doing it for self-defense. So there is a big difference over here. So they cannot take revenge, but they can actually go around and follow the pheromones and can then enter different kind of places. And then even during that time, if they come across a human, then it can become dangerous. Now the time frame that it will take is really difficult to say because it can take quite some time, and the snakes may or may not even go over there. It's not a guarantee is that the male snakes will go over there following the pheromones, but it can happen, and not because of revenge, but because of following the scent. And this can occur during the mating season because that's the time when the female snakes actually releases their pheromones, and because of that they can attract partners. And many snakes come around to have mate with the female snake. So because of that reason, can be a couple of snakes that can track their pheromones and can go over there. So because of this reason, the snakes can come over there, and people think that they have come here for revenge, but that is not at all the case. There are only few animals and few birds that can actually remember things, that may have the capability to take revenge because they have the mental capacity to remember things, they remember the person. But usually most of the animals, birds, they don't really have the mental capacity to actually remember the circumstances that have occurred to them, and cannot even remember who has killed them. So there is no way that person can actually take revenge. Now snakes can also behave instinctively when somebody goes close to them. For example, if a snake has been killed or they have been harmed by some human over there, then the snakes can get a little bit wary that if a human comes close to them, they can attack them and they can become aggressive because for self-defense, not because for revenge. They won't remember the person who did it, but they can remember instinctively that there is this big thing that can come towards them and they can actually kill them. So if they see the human the next time, they will try to attack them to defend themselves. And it is also applicable during when a snake is laying egg. The female snakes can also become very aggressive, and they can attack anyone that they feel that they can destroy destroy their eggs, and can also kill them because they are really aggressive. They have to defend their eggs during this time, and there are a lot of predators out in the world that can actually kill the snake, can also eat the egg. So because of this reason, the snakes is really aggressive during this time, and it doesn't matter whether you are a human or other animal. If they feel threatened somehow, they will attack them to defend the eggs because that's really important to them. Now if previously a man would have attacked the snake, then the snake would have remembered that there is a human, or they won't remember that's a human, but they will remember that this thing as actually can harm their egg, that can harm the snake. So they will try to retaliate the moment they see them. That's not because it remembers that that person actually did it, because they know that this big thing can potentially damage them. This is instinctive, completely instinctive, and they during that time they can attack, not because to revenge, not because to kill the person who has taken the revenge just to defend themselves and the eggs. So this behavior is common in the snakes and can be seen often, but none of them is related to revenge. So this is a completely misconception when people think that snake can actually take revenge. They cannot, because they don't have the capacity to remember things. We humans can remember things because we have a very developed brain. They unfortunately don't have that much developed brain to remember the circumstances that has occurred with them and that can kill them. So because of this very reason, they can only behave instinctively, and that's the only thing that they can do to protect themselves and their eggs, and can also fight other animals, and also can attack humans because of the instinctive nature. Nothing is related to revenge. So I think this answered your question. I will end the video over here. So don't forget to click on the like, comment and subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye and thank you.